Are you wondering how many stocks you should own in your portfolio? Today we're breaking down Warren Buffett's philosophy on diversification and how it can change your approach to investing. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, famously said, "Diversification is protection against ignorance." It makes little sense if you know what you're doing. Buffett believes in focused investing, owning around 10 to 20 well-researched stocks that you deeply understand. His reasoning? Over-diversifying can dilute your returns and make it harder to stay informed about your investments. Instead of spreading yourself thin, Buffett suggests you do your homework. He dives into annual reports and financials to fully understand a company before investing. So, before adding a stock to your portfolio, ask yourself, do I understand this business? Can I explain its potential in one sentence? But what if you're new to investing? Buffett advises most people to invest in broad index funds, like the S&P 500, for easy and effective diversification. Here's the bottom line. If you're confident in your research, focus on a few great companies. If not, index funds are your best friend. Knowledge is your greatest asset in the stock market. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how many stocks are in your portfolio right now. Let's learn together.